Hi guys, I had to refilm this part because I had a storage problem yesterday, and this is the set that I bought. It took me a couple of hours to go through the whole thing, to put it in order, and to do swatches. And I don't know why they didn't package it like this to begin with, because visually it's more appealing when you open up a pack of markers or pencil crayons or paints and you can see all the colors in, grouped together. Now these come with regular numbers, but they also have some that have letters and numbers. And this is a beautiful set. Now, not to be picky or whatever, but to be a perfect set, I would have included, there are some neons, but I would have included a few more. I would have had a metallic of each color, not just silver, gold, copper, which this doesn't have, but also a metallic of green, of pink, of purple, etc. And also two ultrafine tip in black, or at least one in black and one in some kind of gray color. That would, to me, would be the ultimate set. But those are easy enough to pick up. And all of these, this is jam-packed. The only place there's a little bit of space is right here, and I'm just going to show you something. Okay, it might be kind of hard to see, but some of the other sets, one of the big complaints was that when you would take out a bunch of markers, the whole case would tip over and collapse. But this one has a built-in compartment system that's just some kind of plastic or cardboard that's lined with a matching nylon, so it holds all these up no problem. As you can see, I took out the ones that were here, and the whole case is sturdy. The only thing is, if you just, some might tip over inside the compartment, but you're not having the whole case tip over on you. Okay. Well, that was a cat. These are the swatches that I did, and I did it on a pretty heavy sketchbook pad. And as you can see, it bled through. And that was just like one swipe. So, well, I'll show you what happened with the coloring page. Here are some more of the colors. So it's got a good assortment. Like I said, I wouldn't have minded if they, there's a lot of browns, if they would have taken some of those out and substituted some neons, metallics, and ultrafine. And there's a few more there. One thing with this set, it's not a big deal, it's just kind of weird. In a few places they have the set skip, so it goes to 77, then jumps to 81, and then like over here goes to 37, then jumps to 41. So it does that a few times throughout the set for anyone that's interested. So in the video I did yesterday, I colored this page from an activity book. I took the staples out so that it was easier to work with and I could lay it flat on the table. But I'll show you what happened. Well, first of all, when I started to color her face, and you can't see it now, but I could see the maze or whatever was underneath coming through, and I thought, oh no. But when it dries, you can't see it. But see, this is the other side of the coloring book. So that's what could happen. So you got to keep that in mind if you want to use markers in a coloring book. you're best to use or to get a coloring book that only has one-sided images on it. Unless it's a specific coloring book made for markers with a special paper. But yeah, it bleeds through quite a bit. And I was heavy-handed on that face in particular, but still, even up here, you could see it bled through. So other than that, I'm very happy with this set. It's got nice colors, and I like the tests that I did on it. And I'm going to be testing out some other markers, older marker sets that I have. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.